Hi there. So in this video, we're going to do the first FRQ prep question for Unit 3. So this one says, assume that there's a perfectly competitive industry with a price of 25, and then it gives you some data about a firm. Marginal cost equals ATC at 30. Firm is producing 100 units. And then it says, draw two side-by-side graphs, one for the market, one for the firm. Okay. So we make these nice and big. And we're going to do two graphs right next to each other. Quantity, quantity, price, price. And we'll say this one is the market and this one is the firm. And that's the reason why is we're going to read it left to right. The market's going to tell the price tell the firm what the price is. So it's a perfectly competitive market. So we know the demand and the supply look like that. And it actually tells us the price is 25. Okay. Then it doesn't tell us how much the quantity the market is producing. So we're just going to put Q star here. It tells us the firm is producing 100 units. But aside from that, we don't get told. So we're going to move this over here. And then it's this one on the firm graph include all this stuff, MC, HEC, and Mr. DARP and the firm output and all that stuff. So we know from a couple lectures ago that this is the Mr., right? Marginal revenue equals the demand for the firm's products equals the average revenue equals the price. And we know that that's also at 25. And then we have this marginal cost curve that does one of those. It's that little Nike swoosh. And it tells us that the firm is producing 100 units. Now, it doesn't give us this instruction, but we should assume that firms are profit maximizing. And so we know that the firm will produce where MR equals MC because it's a profit maximizing at the quantity where MR equals MC. That's an important detail that you have to know to be able to answer this. So we'd say 100, that's how many they're producing. And then it says include an ATC. Now, an important note, marginal cost equals the ATC at 30. So we're going to put that swoosh shape, right? The Nike swoosh is going to intercept. So normally we're going to do one of these, right? It's going to look like that, but this value has to be at 30. That's where the intercept point is. That's what this is telling us. So that means when we draw our ATC, it's going to have to come down, hit marginal cost, and come back up somewhere above where the firm price is. And so we'll label that one 30. And let's just kind of double check here. We've done this, MC we did, ATC, MR, DAR, firm output, we did that down here. Equilibrium price we did. On the market graph include SD and the equilibrium price. We did that, we did that, we did that. We are done. Thank you. Hopefully that helped you. I'll see you next time.